Hey everyone, welcome back to MZ Car Club. Today we are diving deep into one of the most jaw-dropping luxury concepts ever imagined, the 2027 Mercedes Maybach USA. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling palace that combines the legendary craftsmanship of Mercedes Maybach with bold American design cues, cutting-edge technology, and next-level comfort. Whether you're a fan of ultra-luxury SUVs, executive sedans, or futuristic hybrid powertrains, this vehicle has something to amaze you. Let's start with the exterior. The 2027 Mercedes Maybach USA immediately commands attention. From the front, it features the iconic Maybach grille, now larger and more intricate than ever, with chrome accents that glint in the sunlight. The adaptive LED matrix headlights are sleek and futuristic, designed not just for style, but for ultimate visibility in all conditions. Every line and curve is sculpted to create an aerodynamic yet imposing presence, giving it the perfect blend of elegance and power. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the smooth flowing lines and muscular fenders that hint at the vehicle's performance potential. The wheels are massive, multi-spoke alloys that perfectly balance the visual heft of the SUV with sporty appeal. Even the door handles are reimagined, flush with the body and deploying automatically as you approach. The rear is equally impressive, with a full-width LED light bar, dual integrated exhausts, and a subtle diffuser. Every angle of this car is designed to evoke a sense of prestige and forward-thinking design, something only Mercedes Maybach can achieve. Step inside, and you are immediately enveloped in luxury beyond imagination. The interior is crafted for comfort, elegance, and technology all in one. Hand-stitched Nappa leather covers every surface, combined with brushed aluminum and sustainable wood accents for that ultra-premium feel. Rear passengers get executive-class seating with adjustable footrests, massaging features, and personalized climate zones, essentially a first-class experience on wheels. The infotainment system is a technological marvel. A massive curved OLED display dominates the dashboard, integrating everything from navigation to entertainment seamlessly. Advanced AI-powered controls learn your preferences over time, adjusting climate, seating, and media automatically. The augmented reality navigation system projects directions directly onto the windshield, making driving intuitive and futuristic at the same time. The premium sound system by Burmester ensures crystal-clear audio, turning every journey into a concert experience. Ambient lighting enhances the mood inside, with customizable color options to match your style or setting. Now let's talk about performance. The 2027 Mercedes Maybach USA is imagined to be powered by a twin-turbo V8 or even a V12 engine paired with an advanced hybrid system. Combined, this setup could produce over 700 horsepower, giving the vehicle seamless acceleration and effortless highway cruising. The hybrid system isn't just about speed, it adds smoothness, instant torque, and improved efficiency, making this luxury vehicle surprisingly refined for its size. The adaptive air suspension and active body control provide a supremely comfortable ride while keeping the SUV planted through corners. Intelligent all-wheel drive ensures traction and stability in any condition, whether it's pouring rain, snow, or dry asphalt. Safety is a cornerstone of Mercedes Maybach, and the 2027 USA model doesn't disappoint. Expect top-of-the-line driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, semi-autonomous driving, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a full 360-degree camera system. The body structure combines high-strength aluminum and carbon fiber for maximum protection without sacrificing performance. Every detail is designed to protect both the driver and passengers while maintaining that signature luxury feel. Pricing for this exclusive concept is estimated between $350,000 and $450,000, depending on customization options. Keep in mind, limited production numbers would make this vehicle extremely rare. Owners wouldn't just be buying a car, they would be investing in prestige, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. It's the ultimate statement vehicle for executives, collectors, or anyone who wants to travel in style without compromise. In terms of technology, the 2027 Mercedes Maybach USA sets new benchmarks. Expect features like gesture-controlled infotainment, voice recognition that actually works seamlessly, and AI-based driving assistance that adapts to traffic conditions in real time. The cabin environment is fully customizable, with air purification, climate zones for each passenger, and even sleep mode for long trips, making every journey a first-class experience. Let's also touch on sustainability. While Maybach is known for opulence, the 2027 USA concept incorporates hybrid efficiency, partially electrified drive options, and sustainable interior materials. This shows Mercedes' commitment to blending luxury with a forward-thinking approach to environmental responsibility, ensuring the Maybach brand evolves without losing its core identity. Overall, The 2027 Mercedes Maybach USA is the ultimate combination of German engineering and American boldness. It's powerful yet refined, luxurious yet technologically advanced, and designed to make a statement wherever it goes. From the stunning exterior and futuristic interior to its hybrid performance and unmatched safety features, it's a moving palace on wheels, the kind of car that every luxury enthusiast dreams about. So, what do you think? Would you choose the 2027 Mercedes Maybach USA over other ultra-luxury SUVs or sedans on the market? Could this be the future of executive transport in America? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, concept overviews, and futuristic car content right here on MZ Car Club.